guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, you might want to do it right now because we're about to explore some tunnels. Yo, what's up guys? We're back at the
PA Turnpike, the abandoned turnpike, just so you guys know.
And guys, I got a little surprise for you guys. We're not gonna be walking this thing today.
Hell no.
Nope. And you can
700 cc's, baby.
And you can see the sign right here. See what it says. Motors prohibited. Let's go, baby. Down is first gear.
Oh, I got it.
All right. Oh.
Wow, that was a fucking fail. All
right, let's try it again. All right, so put it in neutral.
Okay. How the fuck do you do all this at once, bro?
All right. Ready?
Yeah, how do you do it?
Now hit this button.
God, that's like a long thing. You need like a fucking...
All right. So downshift, down. That's first gear.
Bro, you're fucking...
I swear I'm not fucking with him. Okay, let's try it again. All right, no, seriously. Downshift is first gear, then the rest is up. All right, so you're... All right, now just downshift.
Up, right?
Down. Now, literally just let off it slow. You don't even gotta give it gas. Just let off very slow and it'll move.
Bro, this is like me driving nervous. Let's do it.
All right, guys, so I found this little hole and John is actually kind of nervous.
I'm nervous, dude. I'm nervous. I can barely fit through this hole, man.
All right, so I'm gonna go first.
Go first.
Let me make sure I'm not gonna land on anything. You wanna hold my camera? My bag.
Jesus.
Good, this thing doesn't open.
It doesn't. They make sure it didn't open. Now you're gonna wake all the people up in there, dude. Look, if this man could barely get in there, how is my fat ass gonna get in there?
Oh. I'd say it almost be easier to...
Hello, mister, do you have a pack of cigarettes or some beer you can sell me?
Yeah, there's probably a bunch of homeless people in here about to fucking... Wow. Alright, John's next. I'm actually gonna help you, so. Alright, so John barely got over.
Oh, barely got her. We didn't get over.
Alright, now actually, neither of us, do you know anyone that's been in here?
Bro, I've never been here my whole life.
Here. Like, I don't think we know anyone that's been back here. Oh my gosh, dude.
Bro, it's just saying that this is crazy, dude.
This is actually creepy.
Things are gonna ice it up.
I know, my camera makes it look like it's not even that dark.
Wow, this is nuts. So bad.
Water. Cold, like tar room or something. Stairs. You want to take the stairs?
Bro. I'm fucking tired.
Oh, what the fuck? I don't know about that fucking step.
Yeah, fuck that, dude.
I mean, it is metal, to be fair.
Yeah, fuck that.
Well, dude.
Bro, be careful, man.
It's not,
It's not what? Do that again. Bro, be careful, man.
What?
Be careful.
Dude, if you hold my camera, I can definitely go up there like that.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Well, actually, I'm just gonna put my camera in my pocket. I can't go up here alone.
How do you think my fat ass is gonna wiggle my way
Look,
up there?
give me your camera.
Bro, I'm not doing it. I'm passing on this one, bro.
Bro.
You're more of
Bro, I think we can go. The outside's up here. Come on, dude.
Dude, fuck that.
Dude, you're good, bro.
I'm good.
Please. No. Just walk up on the side. Just stay there, okay? Don't try leaving. What the hell? John. Look up. What? Whew, it's a far drop. Alright guys, so John said he didn't really feel comfortable going up the steps, so I guess it's just me. Guys, this is definitely creepy being by yourself. Like, it's one thing when you're with someone, but when you're alone, it's like really weird. I'm so nervous standing on this thing. I'm not really a fan of heights. I don't know how structurally set up this thing is, but I'll show you what I'm looking at. 4-wheeler's way down there. Guys, we're gonna head down. Hold that. Oh fuck, am I gonna be able to get down?
You'd be alright if you put your foot right here.
Yeah.
You got it?
Whoops. Am I gonna move in? Come down. Oh. Ready? Well, this is the part I didn't explore by myself.
I left my light down there too because I was expecting to get out.
Hold on real quick. You want to hold this?
Yeah.
You can do some filming with this.
So I'm a bitch and I couldn't get up the stairs at the beginning because I'm fat. I'm overweight. And Austin does CrossFit. He's athletic. He's strong.
I'm not athletic.
He's a champion. He's a Victor Royale. If this man was on the Fortnite V-Bucks shop, he'd be 2,000 V-Bucks. That's $20.
So I'm going to show him down here real quick. Alright?
Out there? Yeah, this is trippy.
Basically, this is the tunnel that leads above the actual tunnel.
This is wild.
I'm sure there's not a lot of people.
This place is insane. This place is so crazy, dude. I love it. You said there's a way to leave. I'm assuming it's over here. Oh, there it is. We climb over there. Take the stairs up, it looks like. This place really creeps me out. It creeps me out because it's just like, it's just so eerie. It's quiet. Nobody's here. It's insane. Look at these turbines.
Basically, this is the tunnel that leads above the actual tunnel. I'm sure there's not a lot of videos online, if any. It's so weird, you can hear echo. Wow. If I turned out my light, that's how dark it is right now. Hello? Whew. Damn, does that ever go far? Yeah, don't think I'm going down there.
I know. That's why I was like at the first, I was like, what the fuck, dude? Bro, don't, you're a crazy nut, dude.
It's sturdy enough for me to do it?
Yeah, it's not sturdy enough for me to do it.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna go up this way.
You are?
I'll see you on the other end. It looks a lot easier. I don't know. Wow, this is weird. I don't even know where this leads to. Oh, this is cool. Damn. Bro, this is nuts. I think that way is probably easier to go down.
Yeah. Oh yeah, like.
So Austin can tell you right now that I'm a straight biatch when it comes to like doing stuff to risk my life or like risk an injury. I'm a pussy.
I am too, though.
No, I'm a pussy. You don't care.
No, I do care. I got shaky legs up there.
Oh, bro, but that's like you. That's like heights. I don't do heights. I don't do heights. You don't catch me doing heights.
Tunnel number 2. Oh shit! We just got rained on.
All the water.
It is on.
Your headlights?
Yeah. If I see a zombie, I'm out. I'm running into. Seriously, straight up. If someone comes running at us, I'm running them over. Best advice I can tell you is just to jump off. Like if I turn off the lights, dude, that's just my headlight right now. Hold on, I'm gonna take a second. Alright guys, So we're in here right now. The only reason we're able to see is because I obviously have a headlight.
And John's got nothing.
Alright, so check this out.
What's that?
Oh shit, I thought I heard a four-wheeler.
I thought I heard a four-wheeler too.
So we're in the tunnel right now, and this is how dark it is. Thank you guys for supporting me. If this video gets a whole 10 likes, I'm going to Dubai this week.
A whole 10 likes.
I'm talking 10 likes on this video, 3 comments, and 100 views. I'm gonna be doing something absolutely crazy.
I'm at the side of a goddamn mountain.
It's crazy that cars used to run up and down this. Do you know what year that was, John?
I think it opened in the 1940s.
1940s? Woo! I don't know about walking about across this thing right here. What's up, guys? We just got back, sweating my ass off. It's so hot. It was not hot in those tunnels though, but we made it back safely, didn't get in trouble, so it's been a pretty good day. I think we're gonna go have a food, cold one. Bye. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
And to my YouTube channel.
You wanna say it?
Mr. Zimmerman, the link will be down in both of our descriptions.
Bye.